Let me tell you a story which my mom brings up anytime I talk about learning to swim. When I was a little baby, around 2 years old, we went to the Polish Baltic Sea as a family. My parents took a walk along the beach with me, the little baby, on their arms. Specifically, my mom had me in her arms and she went into the water just about the knee high. Despite the water being so shallow, I freaked out and started screaming, "Daddy, Daddy, I want to go to my daddy, Daddy." So she did call my father and passed me over to him. And as soon as he grabbed me and she started to walk away, I started screaming, "Mommy, Mommy, I want to go to my mommy." So anytime I ask her about where did my fear of water come from, she reminds me of this story. So as you can see, I was afraid of water from the very beginning without really having any particular reason to be that way. What's even more strange and ironic is that now, over 36 years later, I absolutely love the beach. I don't know exactly what happened, but something changed. Since I learned to swim, every time I go to the sea, I have this strange force pulling me in. It's almost like the sea was singing to me, or the mermaids were calling me in some strange way. Every time I pass a port, or I walk onto the beach, or I just see it even from a distance, I have this strange connection happening. And to this day, I don't know where it came from and what it is that brings me in there. Actually, sometimes when I try to focus and I want to put some ASMR videos online, I would put up the sounds of the beach, the sea waves hitting the beach, because those are the ones that make me calm down and focus. I'll be looking into what caused this change in me over the next coming months and look for some answers. We'll talk about psychology behind the fear of water, why babies and little children are afraid of it without any rational explanation, and things like that. So this is the story I wanted to tell you about, to give you a little bit of insight about who I am and where I come from. If you like the story, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in another video.